We're at Seoul Robotics High School today, and I was here the other day. I talked to you. I'm back again on a late Friday, but you're the principal.
Yeah, that's
And,
right.
and what is your name?
My name is Ro Tessa. Ro is my family name.
Okay.
Okay.
And I understand you were one of the high officials. You understand you worked for the government, but you were a high official in one of the telecoms.
Well, actually, a telecom company, Korea
Okay.
Telecom, like AT&T in the United States.
Right.
I was the vice chairman.
So number 2 in the whole company.
Right. That's
Wow, that's amazing. And then you retired, and then you came here.
Yeah.
Wow. And so the reason the government brought you here is so they could bring industry here. Is that right? In your industry knowledge to the school.
That's right. Yeah. The government wants the Meister School
Okay.
to invite the industrial people to teach the students with the industrial technologies and industrial ethics,
Right.
things like that. Yeah.
Right. And the Meister that's kind of derived from the German system. Is that right?
Yeah, European actually, yeah, it's similar to German system, yeah.
German French system somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay. And can you explain real quick what is the Meister system?
Well, the one thing, the Meister system, we think the important thing is the first the job first, and later university.
Right.
Yeah, and we teach students with the industrial technologies or skills, so they can easily adapt the industrial field after graduation of the high school. Yeah.
Okay. And so this school is important. Why? Because are these kids, in many cases, will some of them be the next generation for the design of future products in South Korea?
Yeah, my school is a Seoul Robotics High School.
Correct.
So robotics industry will be developed very fast in the future, near future.
High growth.
High growth, that's right, yeah. So we need the exports. We
Right.
need a lot of exports
Correct.
in in near future. So the government ask us, or want us to educate many youngsters.
And they're going to use robotics in almost everything, right? Medicine, automotive,
Oh yes, everything.
pretty much all fields.
Yes.
Manufacturing,
Yeah.
I mean,
And also Army.
Army.
Army also use many robotics.
sure.
Yeah.
So this is the future.
Yeah.
Wow, incredible. And then I know you told me, because I don't hear this very often as a principal coming in, but you said to me right away, I remember you said, when I came in here, my approach is not the teachers first, but the students are the customer. And
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. I have the 5 principles to manage this school.
right,
The one thing is the student self-development.
okay,
Means the student is the main body of the school. Student is the owner of the school, I think.
hmm
So student, you have to develop yourself. Teacher just can assist you.
hmm
Yeah, that's my philosophy.
right,
The second thing is I like to open our school to industry.
hmm
Means we invite industrial experts
correct.
to teach it.
Right, the other day I came, a couple days ago, you had a guy out here with these different aerial robots,
yeah,
right?
aerial robot, yeah.
Right,
So and also I want student to go outside, for example, the factories or laboratories or
Correct.
training center to learn
hmm
the robotics technology. That's the open to industry. And the third one is the customer satisfaction. Yeah.
right,
Yeah, me myself and our teachers have to work for our customers, means students.
right,
Yeah. And the other thing I insist, I think the important is the globalization. So our student cooperate with, our student go outside I mean the other country
Right. To see what's going on.
To see what's going on, as well as they teach
Right.
their skills
Right.
about robotics to other friends in the other countries, and they exchange their ideas, and
Right.
they can teach their knowledges, and they can learn their cultures and other things.
Right.
Yeah.
And then last but not least, but I remember you telling me one of the big things that's important are ethics and character.
Oh yeah.
Because can you elaborate on that? Because that's not something we talk about in the United States, unfortunately.
Okay. Yeah.
At least not in any of the schools I've worked at.
Yeah. The CEOs or the managers of the industry and companies want our teachers to teach our students well behavior,
Mm-hmm.
well ethics, and well characters, human characters.
Mm-hmm.
Because even though the students have a good skills or very nice knowledge about
Mhm.
robotics, but without any ethics or good behavior,
Mm-hmm.
they don't like them to recruit.
Right.
They say no, we don't need them. They told us that first thing is good behavior as
Right.
an employee.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we teach. We always told our students, tell our students that good ethics, good behavior is the first thing we have to learn
Mm-hmm.
in school.
And last but not least, is there any other thing that you'd like to share with me before?
Yeah. The last thing is we like students to keep the two tracks. I mean, one track is working.
Right.
The other thing is studying in university.
Right.
Yeah. So work and study together.
Right.
Yeah, for their future, for the bright future.
Right. And this is basically the system that you're telling me about, the MICE.
master schools. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Well, thank you for your time. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Take care. Thanks.